Hello friends, today in this video I will tell you how can you take your online classes effectively, because nowadays we are taking online classes and it is required that these classes must be effective so students can learn easily. Now, the first most important thing is whenever you are taking online class, you should be visible to the students. Teachers should be always in front of the students. That gives a closeness to the students. So always take care, always try to keep your camera on during the online class. Whenever you are starting your class, always formally greet your students. Then only start the conversation. And ask the students also, they should also greet you. Next thing, as we are taking the classes online or offline, then we prefer whenever we are explaining something, the student should listen it quietly. They should understand it. Same way in the online classes, you ask them that I am muting you for 10 to 15 minutes and listen the lecture carefully, and then after unmute them, then do the discussion on the topic which you have covered. Now this is the very important aspect of online class. As we are not sitting in front of each other, we are sitting virtually. Students are sitting far away places, so the explanation speed should be slow, so the participants can understand and they can relate, they can write. As I will give you one example of our Honorable Prime Minister, how he used to give the information online to the people.
व्हाट्सएप की सुविधा है तो मैं एक नंबर लिखवाता हूं, लिख लीजिए। ये नंबर हर एक को काम आएगा। अगर आप व्हाट्सएप पर हैं तो इसका उपयोग कीजिए। नंबर मैं लिखवाता हूं 90-131, फिर से बोल रहा हूं 90-131-51515। यस, 51515।
You have seen how the Prime Minister has given this number so that everyone can write this number. We should also follow this while we are explaining our lecture to the students. After all, we are teachers, so always encourage your students to sit with pen and paper. Because whenever you are taking online classes, they should not listen only. They should understand, as we have the physical classroom. So always encourage students, they must have their belongings with them. They should note the important points. Now, always remember this, whenever you are starting any topic, recall the previous related topic. Reason behind is because in the online classes, sometime network issues, sometime other problem, maybe the voice is not working properly. So always recall the previous topics. So this will help the students to understand the new topic well. Yes, it is very important. Whenever you are sharing the screen, whenever you are displaying something to the students, you are explaining something with the help of an image, then you should use highlighter or pointer, because this will help the students to focus on a particular point. So use of pointer and highlighter is always recommended. Then, whenever you are explaining something, after the explanation, encourage the students to participate in discussion. Every student should participate in the discussion so they can understand the content well, and they can also explain it back in front of the other participants. Now, sometime it happens whenever we are taking online classes, then few students complain about the technical issues like, ma'am, we are not able to listen your sound, maybe the text is not displayed properly. Encourage students to raise their technical issues on chat, because there will be a possibility technical issue is only with one student, but if he will speak again and again in the live class, then this will disturb the others also. So ask them to raise their technical issues on the chat, and if possible try to resolve and answer them accordingly. Yes, like the live classes, like the ordinary classes, maybe it's a live class, maybe it's a physical class, always call the students by their names. Interact with them by their name. For that, encourage them to display their name on their window. Last but not the least, always take the revision of the covered topic at the end of the class. Always keep 10 to 15 minutes for the revision, because as I told you, sometime due to some technical issues it happens, students are not able to listen your voice carefully, they are not able to see the content. You should revise the content of the complete class at the end, so students can relate all the covered part automatically. I hope these all tips will help you to take the online classes effectively.